Hello, I'm Tracy Falbe, Realtor with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, Michigan Real Estate, and today I'm doing an open house preview for 5040 North 32nd Street in Richland, Michigan. The open house is going to be this Sunday, June 1st from 3:30 to 5 p.m. The home is listed for $449,900. The listing agent is Jason Sibley, and this is new construction from Cornerstone Construction. It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 2,383 square feet finished, plus a basement. A great thing about this new construction home in Richland is that it's on a 2-acre lot. On the screen, I'm showing you the document of the survey of the lot, and it is on the corner of G Avenue and North 32nd Street. So the lot size means that the backyard opens up onto a lot of green space, and we'll see that in the next video clip. Okay, here is the view of the backyard. You can see the house from the back, and you can see there's a nice deck already built that's off the main living area on the main floor, and we will get to see inside in a bit. And now let's run the video so you can get a view of, there's open backyard space where the lawn is mowed, and then there's some woods. So let's take a look. Okay, now we're gonna go inside this new construction home. So we go in, there's the stairs, there's the hallway back to the laundry. Now we're entering the main living room. So a nice spacious area here. We have a ceiling fan. And then it loops around, and there's an area where you could set a dining room table if you like, and nice green views out the windows. Here's the deck. I'll pause it so you can kind of take that in. So you have nice green space from your private deck. All right, now we're going around, and there's a kitchen tucked away, so it's kind of an open floor plan, but the kitchen's not really open to the living room, so that's kind of nice. So we could head back here. We have a nice laundry room. There'll be a space in there. That's the door to the garage, and then we have a powder room over here. Now we're in the upstairs, and we're going to take a look at 4 bedrooms up here. All the bedrooms have closet and ceiling fan. This is the bedroom that's above the garage. Now we have the full bath over here. This is the main bath for the upstairs. And then let's enter bedroom number 2. Ceiling fan. Nice window looking over the backyard. Closet. All the stuff you need in a bedroom. Bedroom number 3. There's the closet, window. And all the bedrooms up here are quite spacious. Nothing feels cramped. They're not little. And now let's go down the hall to the primary bedroom, which is, of course, larger than all the others. Ceiling fan, nice windows, lots of room for furniture, big bed. And then we're going back into the adjoining bathroom. Very nice shower, toilet back there, and then you're going to see a walk-in closet. If you would like to see 5040 North 32nd Street in Richland, Michigan in person, please come by the open house Sunday, June 1st, 3:30 to 5. I will be there. I'm hosting it, and my name is Tracy Falbe. Once again, this is listed by Jason Sibley, but I will be at the open house Sunday. If you would like to talk to a buyer's agent about this house, you can do it Sunday, or you can reach out to me anytime if you want to shop for a home in Calhoun, Kalamazoo, or Berry counties. My name is Tracy Falbe, 269-967-6589. If you're watching this on YouTube, look in the description. There's a link to a Google form where you can send me an email. Thanks for watching.